I promise to be patient when things are worth the wait, like you were with me. I promise to savor the now, and not dwell on the past or worry about the future. My now is perfect with you, no matter what the circumstances are. I promise to bring persistence when challenges come, like you have with so many obstacles we've encountered the time that we've been together. I promise not to give up on the things that matter or the things that I want, and to know when the difference is, and to do the things that are important and not to do the things that aren't. I promise to keep doing the things that I'm passionate about, to do the things that I love, and to support your passions just as much.
I know you have no control over the situation, but you do have control over the way you make me feel, and you always seem to ease my worries. We are so different, but it's something I'm thankful for. Every day we are pushing each other to grow and become the best versions of ourselves. I fall in love with you every day. I fall in love with your ability to make me laugh and forget all my worries. I fall in love with your compassion for others, especially our fur babies. I fall in love with your ability to see the best in others. I fall in love with listening to you talk about your passions and hobbies. I fall in love with your family who has become my own. They have completely embraced me and welcomed me more than I could have ever hoped. I fall in love with the life and routine we've created together. I fall in love with the way you make me feel about myself and our relationship. I don't believe in love at first sight or the perfect one. I believe that you find someone you can't imagine being without and you work on that relationship and your differences for the rest of your life. Jeff, you are worth all the work, the laughs, the tears, the triumphs, and the arguments. You are worth it because every day I wake up and I want to do it all over again. For you, for us. I promise to never let you lose yourself or your creativity, to be your biggest encourager, not your critic. I promise to never go to bed without sorting out our differences. I promise to love you unconditionally and be your partner forever and always.
We all know why we're here today. It's because Courtney and I are getting married. But what a lot of you don't know is how we met. And I couldn't think of a better way to do this than to hear it from the bride's words herself, from a project I did 6 years ago when we first started dating. And I put this all together over the last couple of months. It's short, but I just wanted to share it all with you, and then afterwards we can party on. So anyway, here it is.
I met you at the last place I thought I'd ever meet someone, which is Kroger.
Okay, why was it the last place you ever thought you'd meet somebody?
And just the type of people that come in there don't really have, I don't know, just not what I'm looking for. Like, I was really specific because I've always been the type of person that doesn't want to waste their time on someone that isn't worth my time. So I met you, and we were watching this fantastic training video, and you had to bring your own commentary into it because they thought that, you thought that I wanted it, that I wanted to know what you thought about this wonderful video, and I didn't care. And so all I cared about was popcorn you were eating, so I stole the popcorn, which I would never have done if I liked you, because at first I did not like you.
Why not?
Because you were annoying. You were like, look at this video, this is poorly filmed, look at the way this person, like, I don't care. And you had just happened to be standing by me when I told one of my supervisors that I wanted to be walking out to my car. So me, being the outgoing person I am, pointed at you and said, hey, you're walking me out to my car. Well, then later you were like, hey, am I still walking you out to your car? And I was like, are you serious? Like, I didn't believe you because I'm not used to getting anyone's attention or like anyone giving me the time of day, because I'm a lot to take in at first. I can be shy, but at the same time I can be like outgoing. So I'm not used to having that attention, I guess. number. And I was like, but it's only the first day. And they were like, so I asked you for your phone number because you decided to be a little scaredy cat. I don't know. I said that you should text me sometime, and you said I don't have your number. And I said, well, pull out your phone and I'll give you my number. And then you said, okay, I'll text you right now so you have my phone number. And the rest is history.